how to install and download DJI Mimo application on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can download DJI Mimo from the Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Chrome in your device. After you open it up in the search bar, you have to search for DJI Mimo. Once you search for it, navigate to their first link, dji.com. Here you have to download the APK version of the application. Tap on Download Android APK. After the APK file is downloaded in your device, you have to open up a file manager. Then tap on the djimimo.apk. After that, select Install. Now wait for a few moments for the installation to complete. After you open up your application, once the installation is complete, the application may request for the access to camera storage location, so grant the permission as needed. Once granted, now you can open up DJI Mimo application on your mobile device. That's it, and that's how you can install and download DJI Mimo on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.